Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to show you this video, which, of course, you already saw the caption, so you know what it's about. It's actually the Donny Osmond Show, also just known as plain old Donny. But anyway, it's the Donny Osmond Show here in Vegas, and I wanted to had this video for a little bit and didn't know if I wanted to put it with some others, but I think it can really just stand alone, because if you're in any way, shape, or form a fan of Donny Osmond, you would definitely want to see this video. And if you're not a fan of Donny Osmond, you probably still want to see this. They did a really good job on the show. I was highly impressed with the show itself. I didn't expect it to be so enjoyable, quite frankly. But anyway, come on with this, because you're now entering the Coolest Life Entertainment Edition.
Stone, God rest his spirit, nobody can know. It's sick to tell the story, but you listen to mine. Searching for the answer, but it's so hard to find. Just see much deeper when you read between the lines. 'Cause there's a fire burning in my eyes, like a thief in the night. Who can't get really free? And why I love her so. Oh, cries tonight, my tears for you. You're gonna baby the way. Ooh, no one but you. But I like the beach, and I practiced at home while my brothers cut their teeth as a barbershop quartet at Disneyland, where they were soon discovered in a way that no one could have planned. See, remember Andy Williams? Well, his dad saw their spark when they sang a couple songs on Disneyland After Dark. Andy had to agree, those boys could carry a tune, and so they went on a show and made the audience swoon. Whoa, people sure loved them, but I felt left out. I mean, come on, at 5 years old I knew what showbiz was about. So in 1962 I made my big debut, and I showed the whole world what little Donny could do.
You're the sunshine, my sunshine. You're
By 67 we got noticed by the great Jerry Lewis, who played Rock, Rock to my
Virginia.
did a Bob Hope comedy special musical,
You're busy.
and Nancy Sinatra was. Of course, when you're busy as we were, you gotta. And miraculously, none of us became too much of a jerk. But we were changing and wanted to rebrand as the Osmonds, a rock and roll band. 2 number ones in 71 said everything the world with. And we were still split us apart. Then Flip Wilson had a song to say, just wait, there's no yard. Osmond radio hits, and make no mistake, this was more than just magazine covers of me eating cake. He I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers,